Good morning everyone. This lab is electronic manufacturing lab. So the idea of this lab is whenever a student can get an idea after he completed semiconductor based characterization and having knowledge, if he want to design a circuit means this lab will be good for him. In this lab we are giving training to a student how to design a circuit in software, KiCad software, to convert it into a PCB. So very next step of designing is PCB designing after once the circuit is designed. So using the PCB designing software, he came to know the rules and constraints of PCB designing, and he can get the Gerber files which can be used for prototyping or manufacturing and all. So the very next step, we are having two kinds of line here in this lab. One is completely a prototyping setup. We are having three kinds of prototyping machines. These are all basically mechanical milling machines. These machines can do engraving, cutting as well as drilling. So you can see a bare copper clad like this. In this copper clad, using the Gerber files and this machine, we can fabricate the PCB here itself. Then we can also do the masking for protection of the circuit and then assembly here itself. So for fabrication we are having these three machines. These two machines are similar and this machine is a special kind. It will change the tool automatically as per our program. For example, engraving was done by one tool, drilling was done by one tool, cutting was done by another tool. Those tools can be changed automatically use this machine. So once it gets done, the very next stage is fabrication, completion, then they have to go for manufacturing after completing the prototyping. For this we are having this line. So this is a completely dedicated industrial grade assembly line for SMT components. As we are aware of SMT components, they are placed on the top of the board. The board won't contain any drills and all. So the very first step is stencil printer. In this printer, for example, this kind of prefabricated boards are input for this line. In this board, we are going to apply the soldering paste in the parts of the board. For that, we are using